In this video, I'm gonna show you 2 different ways to help carve out space for your vocals to sit right. So this before we put an EQ on it and carve out the space.
Grew up on the block where the stop signs got holes. Seen no G's fall off, but still got goals.
Now let's bring up an EQ. I like the HEQ, you know what I'm saying? So boom, we're gonna carve out space anywhere from like,
Grew up on the block where the stop signs got holes. Seen no G's fall
I say right here between 300 and 500, we need to bring that down some.
off. On the block where the stop signs got holes. Seen no G's fall off.
And then right here around 1100 hertz, we need to bring that down some.
Grew up on the block where the stop signs got holes. Seen no G's fall off, but still got goals. They ain't with the skinny jeans, still got baggy denim. He 50, still hustling, you can't tell him.
So now that's with it. Now I'm gonna play it with it and without it. You get what I'm saying? So this without it.
Grew up on the block where the stop signs got holes. Seen no G's fall off, but still got.
If you listen, you could really hear, without the EQ dip we just did, you still hear like the fullness in the mid-range and the vocals and the instruments is fighting for that space. Now listen when we carved out some of that space.
Grew up on the block where the stop signs got holes. Seen no G's fall off, but still got goals. They ain't with the skinny jeans, still got baggy.
You know what I'm saying? The vocals got more room to actually sit and do their thing. Hey man, say man, you hear? Yeah. All right, so now I'm gonna show you all another way to carve out space for your vocals, and it's by using a plug-in called TrackSpacer. First, this is where my vocals going to. All my vocals is going to this track right here, this glue duplicate track. So I took the input of that track and sent it to bus 1112, and then I brought up my TrackSpacer plug-in and I went to the key input and changed the key input to bus 11. So what that's gonna do is only gonna trigger the TrackSpacer plugin to start working whenever I start rapping. You get what I'm saying? So I'm gonna show you. Before I come in and start rapping, you gonna see it's not, you ain't gonna see nothing moving on the TrackSpacer plugin. See how you don't see nothing? Now watch when I start rapping, you gonna see it activate.
I grew up on the block where the stop signs got holes. Seen no G's.
You know what I'm saying? So it only activate when I actually start rapping. And what it's doing, what you see it happening, anywhere my vocals is sitting at on the frequency spectrum, is carving out that space in a 2-track beat. So is bringing that frequency down on the beat and allowing my voice to sit over it only when is actually hearing me rap. I'm gonna increase this knob so y'all can really hear what it's doing.
Money stacking on the low. Grew up on the block where the stop signs got holes. Seen no G's fall off, but still got goals.
You know how I was turning the frequencies of that part of the beat down? When I turn it up,
shooting dice on the porch with my last 5. Yeah, mama working doubles trying to feed all 5.
I always use it anywhere from 10% to 30%. I don't never go past 30% for real. I had a low cut anywhere between 200 and 500 kilohertz. And then I have my high cut anywhere from 2K kilohertz to 3 kilohertz.
Grew up on the block where the stop signs got holes. Seen no G's fall off, but still got goals.
Hey man, say man, simple as that. You know what I'm saying? Hey man, say hey, yeah.